Hello guys, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you're going to earn $30 an hour, even more actually, by watching videos. Okay guys, you're going to make money watching videos very easily, but 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 guys, it's not going to be like the other videos that you've seen. Okay, I'm going to give you two methods for this. One method you may have seen before, but the second method is not as easily seen, okay? So I hope you stay tuned for that. And I'm going to give you a tool, a free tool, that's going to make that second method even easier, okay, guys? So this is going to be a very good video for you to watch. So be sure to stay tuned for the whole thing, guys, okay? So let's get started, okay? So the first site that you're gonna watch videos to earn 30 bucks an hour is at user testing. Okay, so user testing, it is a site where companies and brands go to get their websites and apps tested, okay? But people like us, you and me, we could be the actual tester of these apps, okay, or websites. So here, see, hear, and talk to customers as they engage with your products, apps, and messaging. Make better decisions, build more customer-driven experiences. So with you testing their products or apps or whatever, it's going to help them if it's going to help them improve their product, because we're going to be, as testers, you're going to tell them if what you're doing is good, what you're doing, how it could be improved, and give them feedback on their products. So if you want to get paid, you're going to go over here to get paid to test, and here you could earn up to $60 per test. But here is where it says how it works. Get $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. Okay, they have a little 2-minute video here that you can just check out and see how it works. So user testing pays you to visit websites or apps and complete a set of tasks and speak your thoughts aloud. And that's it. So what you want to do though, as you're speaking aloud or doing the task at hand, is that you want to show them that you are about to do the task, and if you're finding the task, how you're easily doing it, or is it hard to do. So the more that you speak your thoughts as you're doing the tasks, the more likely your video or your test is going to be approved, okay? So remember, you're not going to get paid if you don't get an approved test result that you will submit. So you got to make sure that you are going to be speaking clearly and speaking your thoughts about the tasks you'll be doing, okay? Now, what do you need to get started? You will need a computer, so a PC or a Mac, an internet connection, and a microphone. You could also use phones or tablet as well, because there will be tests for mobile as well. So you will need those devices. And then you need to download a testing software that they're going to provide, and you must be 18 years old and be able to speak English. So that's pretty good, and it's available. Let's see, how much money can I make? It says they won't make you rich, because I guess it depends on how many opportunities that you'll get, and you may not qualify for every opportunity that you see, okay? You will get paid through PayPal for this, and you will receive it exactly 7 days after completing a website or app test. So the waiting period is actually not that bad at all. And then you can see which country that you're from and see if they have anything for you. So it's pretty easy to sign up, and this is one of the popular ways to actually earn this way. So basically, if you do 3 of these tests, that's how you get the $30 for every hour that you watch. But I am going to show you guys a different method to earn $30 per hour. And actually, it may even work out to be earning more because of the tool that I'm going to show you right now, okay, guys? So, first of all, I'm going to show you Fiverr, okay? Fiverr is a freelance website. freelance, meaning that you can offer your services online and you can get clients basically this way on this site, because people do go to Fiverr.com to buy services. And so it is a website where people who want the services done meet with people who provide that service. So as you can see here, what you can do to earn $30 per hour watching videos is by actually doing video transcriptions, okay? Transcribing the video is actually not that hard at all. And all you're doing is watching the video and then you're just typing out the words in the video. Because sometimes people want to translate or transcribe their video because they want a text version for, let's say, their website or their blog, okay? So this is a service that people are providing. And you can see here that someone like this is charging $25 for 60 minutes of video, okay? And they will charge more for for longer videos, okay? So that's one of them. Here's another one. So you could transcribe a 10-minute or less video for $5. Here's a 30-minute, 60-minute or less for $30. So see, you can offer services like this. And what I'm going to show you is that it's going to be actually really easy to transcribe, because you're not going to be typing the entire thing, guys, okay? I'm going to show you this free tool that's going to transcribe it for you. And all you're going to do is just do little edits. That's it, okay, guys? So the free tool that I'm going to show you here is, this is it. This is Google Docs, guys, okay? To get to Google Docs here, you just have to go to Google and type in Google Docs. So sign in and get to a new, so basically Google has document, spreadsheet, and so forth. So you just gotta go new document, and then you're gonna go tools, and then you're going to go voice typing. So what this does is that it's gonna listen to you, and then it's going to type it for you, okay? So when I click this, it's going to start typing what they hear, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play one of my YouTube videos, and I'm going to show you how this transcribes pretty accurately and easily, okay? But the only thing is, the trick is that you have to play the video first and then press this button, because if I press this button to record and then go to my video, it may not do it. So I'm going to play it. So basically, you might just have to add a couple words in front if it doesn't catch. But this is how it works. I'm going to show you right now, okay? All right, so let's play my video.
Here is their site, Shopkick. And what you are going to do is to earn points. And their point system are called kicks. So you're going to earn kicks when you do certain tasks that you can earn the kicks from, okay? So you can do this in-store as well as online. So you can earn points no matter where you are, whether you're at home or on the go. So this is really good. People seem to really like this site though, or this app, because I have seen a lot of great reviews, which we will go into in a second. But you can earn tons of different gift cards, and they have already given out 85 million free gift cards. Like literally, you are getting free money here, okay, for not doing too much. So start earning. So all you gotta do, this applies for both Android phones and.
Oh, okay, so it turned off by itself already. So you can see how it was picking up. So in my video, I'm talking about Shopkick, so which is not a common word, and I'll talk about you earn kicks, which is points. So it didn't pick up kicks because it doesn't make sense. It's going to take the literal meaning, so it doesn't understand why we would have kicks here. So you would just do little edits like this, and so you can see though, I mean, you can see how fast you can transcribe like this though, right? I mean, majority of the work, it's going to be done this way, and all you're doing is just going in there and just editing the little bits that it didn't pick up and just cleaning it up. So this way you can earn very quickly. I mean, a 10-minute video, you just gotta play it basically, and it'll transcribe for you, right? So your work is not gonna be actual 10 minutes. It's gonna be a little bit less because you're just gonna play a 10-minute video, and this tool is just gonna transcribe it for you. And so that's like 15 seconds of work right there, right? And then when you're doing your edit, just depends on you, I guess. It just depends on actually the video itself, if it was clear for the tool to pick up. So it could take you less than 10 minutes just to go in and clean this up. So it's a pretty easy tool to use though. I really love this. And so this is another way for you to make money watching videos this way, okay guys? So this is what I wanted to show you, this neat little tool here with the Google Docs, and then you could just transcribe very quickly. This is a great way to actually build an online business here on Fiverr because you can get a lot of customers this way. You can see that how many reviews these guys have had. Like this one has had over 900 people reviewing, which means there's a lot more orders than this because a lot of people do not rate, okay? So, and you want to build your profile up too, okay? You're not going to get a bunch of people buying from you right in the beginning. It's just not going to happen like that. You're going to have to promote yourself. You're going to have to build up your profile. You're going to have to maybe offer some free clients to get some reviews for trading. So you could trade that. You could offer people free transcription for a 5-star review, okay? So that's how you could start building your profile. And then once you get a few reviews, then the orders may come automatically to you. And then you could also, promote your services on other social media platforms. And that's how you can make money this way, guys. Okay. So I just want to show you that. I hope you really like this video today. But you are still trading time for money doing it this way. So if you want to learn more of a passive way to make money online, the way I make money online is in the video description below. The very first link, you can see how I make money online using a business model that allows you to earn this way without owning any products or anything like that. And all you gotta do is learn how to market online, okay guys? It's very simple. I'm going to explain everything to you with the first link in the video description below, and it will really help you build an online business that will give you a passive income and give you the freedom that you are looking for in your life, guys, okay? This is the way to build an online business. The proper way is to do it with this program. And you got to get the information with that first link in the video description, guys, okay? All right, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more ways to make money online, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, okay, guys? All right, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.